జై జగన్నాథ్ అందరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? సో, జగన్నాథ్ స్వామి రథయాత్ర స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయిందనమాట. సో, దండం పెట్టుకోండి బాగా అన్నీ మంచి జరగాలని చెప్పి. ఇది హైదరాబాద్‌లో ఒక గ్రేటర్ కమ్యూనిటీలో అవుతుంది. సో, నేను మీకోసం క్యాప్చర్ చేశాను. సో, ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి, చూసి బాగా దండం పెట్టేసుకోండి.
हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण जय बोलो हनुमान जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ
हेलो एक्सक्यूज मी हेलो होल्ड होल्ड बाबूजी एक सेकंड
వచ్చింది ఇన్ క్లాస్ హరే కృష్ణ హరే కృష్ణ హరే 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 రామ్ హరే రామ్
हो गए हैं Watch them 1 hour bell hour. Someone is taking care. देखो भाई प्रभु कोई तो इकट्ठा कर रहे बोल रहे आप देख.
हाँ मुझे नहीं आर्यन इतनी लंबी नहीं आ रही वो आंटी आप जा रहे हो उधर मेरी बोलती होगी तुम आंटी आप जा रहे हो उधर कहाँ जा रही हो
कदामह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्
भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय There was a king called Purushottam Dev in Jagannath Puri. He was a king of Jagannath Puri, Orissa, and he was a great devotee of Jagannath. So one day he was going and sweeping in front of Jagannath. When the Rath Yatra was happening, he was sweeping there. He was a beautiful, handsome king. And they were looking for alliances for him. And there is this Kanchi, right? Kanchi, there is another kingdom in the South India. His daughter is very beautiful. So the king of Kanchi brought his daughter to marry with Purushottam Dev. And she told, you can see your in future husband, you can see him. She looked at him, he was looking very nice. She told her father, I think I am going to marry him. He told, very nice. But just when he was saying, he suddenly saw that this king is sweeping in front of Jagannath. Purushottam Dev was sweeping in front of Jagannath. And she was, Arey, what is this? He told, no, I am not going to marry you to this sweeper. This person is sweeping. Arey, you are my daughter, you are a king's daughter, I am not going to marry you to this sweeper. Right? And at that time, the king Purushottam Dev, he told the king, see, you marry your daughter or no, that's okay. But I am sweeping for Jagannath. I am sweeping in front of the king of the world, right? He is the king of the world. He is the source of everything. What is the problem? He said, no. King of the world, the source of everything is not Jagannath, it is Ganeshji. Because I am Ganeshji's devotee, it is Ganeshji who is the king of the world. He is the source of everything, like that. So Purushottam Dev told, you might be a great bhakta of Ganeshji, but did you ask Ganeshji? Did you ask Ganeshji whom does he worship? Who is the one who transcripted Bhagavad Gita? Ganeshji. And who is telling in Bhagavad Gita that I am the source of everything? Lord Krishna. So why will Ganeshji transcript Bhagavad Gita when Krishna is telling Aham Sarvasva Prabhu? He will not. If he is the source of everything, if he is the supreme Bhagavan, then he will not do that. So you should ask Ganeshji. Purushottam Dev told the king of Kanchi, Hare Krishna, Mataji, please, you can take pictures later. Haribol?
Can you please sit down?
Please sit down. Please sit down. Just 5 minutes we'll finish. 5 minutes. Then afterwards, we all can come and do Pushpa Abhishek also here. Okay? I'll just finish this story. So, Purushottam Dev told, whatever, even I am a devotee of Ganeshji, but you cannot tell Ganeshji is the source of everything. Then the king of Kanchi told, then let's do a war. If we do the war, and if you win the war, then I will marry my daughter to you, and I'll also become a devotee of Jagannathji, and I'll also sweep in front of Jagannathji. But if I win the war, then you will remove Jagannath from the throne, and you will keep Ganeshji there. And I will not give my daughter to you. So this was the condition. Now the king has to accept the war. You know, it is a Kshatriya. If there is somebody comes and says, I want to do war with you, it's Kshatriya dharma that he has to do war. And he says, okay, I'll do the war, but there is a problem. You know, Kanchi king has lot of soldiers, but the king of Jagannath Puri doesn't have soldiers. All he has is Mridanga players and Kartal players. Because in Jagannath Puri, nobody does any war. Everybody is cooking for Jagannath, or they are doing Mridanga dance for Jagannath, or is playing Kartal for Jagannath. So he was thinking, Arey, what will I do? What kind of war I'll do? But still I'll go and do because I've been asked to do. So they go and do the war. First battle, he almost loses. Almost loses. Sunset happens. He comes back. He says, Arey, what should I do now? Then he goes to Jagannath and he says, Jagannath, now you have to take care. No, I want to keep you on the throne of Jagannath Puri as Jagat ka Nath. But this king is going to defeat me tomorrow. And if he defeats you, your own devotee Ganeshji will come and you will go. My marriage, that's okay. I don't worry about my marriage. But Bolo Narsingadev Bhagwan ki Jai. Yeah, he came. Many times he came. For many others also. Can any other incident he came to protect? Rajendra. Right? Yeah, he came to protect. So personally he comes to protect. Personally he comes to protect. Hai ki nahi? When Indra was showering so many rains, today was a sprinkle of rain. He was showering pillars of rain. Krishna came to protect how? He just lifted Govardhan. On his pinky finger he lifted Govardhan. Right? And he protected all the Brajvasis. He personally. P for what? Then कितना भी डाइट करो, समंदर में से एक लोटा पानी भी कम नहीं हो रहा है ना? तो उसके लिए क्या मंत्र काम करता है? हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. अभी अगले 20 मिनट में हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम the source of me. So why should I take tension? You take the tension, right? Now you also don't take any tension. You will get some part of this prasad. All of you will get not only Chappan Bhog, Chappan ka 6 times Bhog, right? Almost 300 and plus items are here. You all will have this prasad. I am also concentrating now slowly this side. The prasad is coming forward. My pravachan can't go forward because I am seeing now the Bhoga is here. Jagannath is going to have. So my humble request, don't leave without having Jagannath Prasad. And please take a matka. After the prasad is given, take this matka with you, keep in your house, wash it, and keep a tulasi plant in this matka. Right? Jagannath will be very happy. Sharan